everybody, we're here in Carteret Mobile Park. Today is Monday, November 23rd, and the house at J-2 is being moved to its final location. So the house arrived a couple weeks ago. We kept it here for a little bit, finished the foundation. We had some issues with a lot of rain. This time of year we always have problems with the weather cooperating. So the guys are all set up. The house is sold. Got my for sale sold signs in the window. It's a beautiful house. So the house is going down the street. There's Mr. Dolan, and it's going to be going in this location here. So they're going to bring it down this side. We have had Carteret Mobile Park since 1954, when houses were really only 8 foot wide. And they were originally provided as the housing for the people who came across the country to build the infrastructure along the New Jersey Turnpike. Kind of changed as the manufactured housing industry changed. So the trailers that were here in the 40s and 50s, and then the mobile homes that were built in the 60s, everything changed in 1976 when the federal government created the HUD code, and thereafter manufactured homes were standardized and built according to the code that was set for every single state. Before that, every state did their own designs and own code requirements. Here in Carteret, ever since the COVID hit, we've been selling faster than when the house arrives. We're really honored that people trust us. I think having all these videos on YouTube shows people how authentic we are, and we're providing visuals of the houses that we're building. So, I don't know, the last 6 houses were purchased before the houses actually arrived. It's been pretty remarkable. We do know that we're less expensive than the luxury apartments nearby. So we do know that we play a role in giving families a affordable option to apartment living. We consistently have people who tell us that they're paying $2,000, $1,400, $1,200 for apartments nearby, and amount to be, I've heard, $1,100 a month with the loan payments and the lot fee. So the lot fee is $625 currently. That's your water and sewer.